despite at a more conservative rate in 2024. Taking off from the presentation of our colleagues from the PSA, the region's GRDP in 2024 grew at 4.3% from 6.8% in 2023. We expect this level of growth first and foremost due to the separation of the province of Negros Occidental and Bacolod City. Both local governments are contributing a combined share of more or less 40% to the economy of Western Visayas before the passage of the Negros Island Act. Secondly, the tapering of growth is expected after 2023, right after the pandemic's intense rise in growth in 2023. So it was abnormally a revenge consumption, revenge spending, and it is expected to taper off and soon will be able to normalize in the succeeding years. A short history in 2023, before our separation, the region's GRDP was at 7.2%. So recall, we were second to Central Visayas, which was at 7.3. Currently, 2024, Central Visayas maintained themselves at 7.3. We reached 1.024 trillion in 2023, exceeding our target of 987 billion with a growth rate of 6 to 7%. So essentially, we have half our economy. One in Western Visayas, the other half was to NI.